Hello! In this activity, we're going to separate particles with different charges. Here, particles with the same mass and velocity, but different charges, will be projected into a magnetic field that acts inside the box. Let's drag the flux density slider to a relative value of +1 and note the direction of the magnetic field. Let's drag the charge slider to select a relative value of +1 and let's click play to project a stream of charged particles into the magnetic field at a relative velocity of 1. Notice the direction of the particles. They are moving downwards. Let's click pause to stop the particles and reset to remove them, leaving their blue circular track. Now, let's give the particles a large charge by dragging the charge slider to a value of +2, and let's click play to project these particles into the magnetic field. What happens? The charges are bent more. Now, let's repeat the investigation with charges of -1 and -2 units. Let's click reset first. And let's move the charge slider to -1 unit. And let's click play. The charges move upwards. Now let's click pause and reset. And let's move the charge slider to -2 unit. And let's click play again. What is your conclusion? So as the charges increases, the particles are bent more. That's all. Thanks for watching.